And at least one St. Elizabeth community is breathing a sigh of relief this evening following the intervention of the security forces in their area. One man who police sources say migrated from St. James at the parish is dead, while another is on the run. The incident unfolded in Kilmarnock, St. Elizabeth. TVJ's Janela Parishes has details.
Free at last, the sentiment expressed by most of the residents whom we spoke to in Kilmarnock, St. Elizabeth. For almost 2 weeks, they've been living in fear as criminals believed to have fled the police military operation in St. James have been wreaking havoc in the usually quiet farming district. The community is on the border of St. James, so it's no surprise that criminals would seek refuge in the area.
Here's them hold up couple somebody already in the bush, so I'm scared for going to the bush. Come here, so them a rob, take away people money and things like that. You understand? So, a couple, almost the whole district, citizens of the district, not go no, because we are farmer up here, you know. All that we have is a farmer, nobody employ outside.
It all came to an end on Monday. Residents alerted the police and from all accounts were instrumental in leading the security forces to where the criminals had sought refuge in the hills. According to reports, on approaching the area, the men fired at the lawmen who returned fire.
The police, they didn't do what they were to do because some of the citizens were working with them and they seemed like they didn't want to work with them. But after the soldier came, it was well done because when I said to them that the man was in the hill around there, corner the pole and go around there, because I stay here and I hear the shot, so I realized that they were there.
So they were firing shots in the air?
Yes, after the police in the bush there, yes, shots were fired because both the police and the gunmen. But anyway, somebody called and said there was one going across down there. And I went to one of them and I said, somebody called and said one was going across there. And he turned to me and said, "How you know, see a gunman?"
In the end, an unidentified male was found suffering from gunshot wounds. His cronies fled the scene. He was found clutching a submachine firearm. The police also recovered 2 magazines containing 31 9mm rounds. A 9mm Browning pistol was also found in close proximity to the body. The police say that following further searches in the bushes, they recovered a 12-gauge shotgun with the serial number erased, 7 12-gauge cartridges, 2 power banks, marijuana, 1 flashlight, 2 mobile phones, clothing items, 1 lighter and a knapsack. As for the residents, they maintain they will not allow criminals to take up residence in their community. Janela Parishes, TVJ News.